And it goes a little something like.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jackie, and for today's video I'm going to be filming a plan with me for the month of September. You guys know these are some of my favorite videos to film, but today I'm going to be showing you guys my new planner. I got a new Day Designer planner that runs from July 2020 to June 2021. So yeah, this is going to last me the whole school year, and I actually haven't gotten around to using this planner. I was saving it for the school year. That's when I usually get very busy and like planning out my days, my weeks, months, and everything. So yeah, I'm gonna start using this one. This planner was more on the expensive side, but I wanted to splurge a little this year since it is my last year of college. So I decided to go with this one, and it just has a floral pattern with some gold detailing, and the inside is actually coral. So you guys can see that it's like this very pretty coral color, and it also comes with 2 sheets of stickers, which I really need to start using. And if you guys have watched my other plan with me, you guys know that I like daily agendas the best because I like how I have one page for every day, and it just gives me a lot of room to do a lot of things. And I'm going to show you really quickly what a page looks like, and it looks something like this. Yeah, that's how a daily spread looks, and I personally just love the layout. I feel like it allows me to like write down everything that I need to know for the day, and I really like the to-do section. I really just like writing a huge to-do list and accomplishing or trying to accomplish everything on it. It just makes me feel really good when I check something off and highlight it. So yeah, I just really enjoy that satisfaction of crossing things out. So guys, this is the monthly spread for September, and I'm going to be filling this out on camera and showing you guys what I do for my monthly spread. So with that, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so this is my desk setup. I have this little mason jar with some writing utensils. I have this glass frame with some dried up little flowers inside. Then I have this pin to rep my school. It just says Glory Glory. I have this little candle that I recently got from Target, and it's from the Magnolia line, and I really like it. It matches my room perfectly. And then I have this little vase that I got from the Target dollar section like a year ago, and it just has some little dried up plants that I got from campus. And then my little lamp and a lighter. And then I have my syllabi right here. I just have 2 for now. I really need to go down to the office and print some more, so I'll probably do that later today. But for now, this works, and I also have all my syllabi online, so I can check on there. I have my planner right here, and I'm just going to start planning for the month of September. I also have my computer on my desk, and I just have my classes pulled up. I'm about to go to my syllabi for every class that I don't have printed out and just go through the dates. And then for this year, I'm actually going to try out assignment tracker on Google Sheets, and my friend Paulina recommended this, and I'll have her channel linked down below. She has very cool videos about Redbubble and running your own little business and things like that, so you guys should definitely check that out. But yesterday on her Insta stories, she was talking about this, and I was really intrigued, so I asked her a couple of questions and she answered all of them. So I think I'm gonna be trying this out right now. Well, for now, I just have some things for my ADPR class, and I was just like messing around with this. I already added my subjects and I color coordinated them to the colors I want to use this semester, and then yeah, this is how it's looking. And essentially this is just like a huge tracker for all your due dates and all of your assignments. I definitely need to go in and start adding all of my other classes. I might just do 2 classes just for the purpose of this video and show you guys a little overview of that, or I might just go in actually and write down like my main assignments for now, and then I'll go in for every little thing. But for this video, I'm just gonna like do a few things here. I think this is going to come in handy. I think I'm really going to like this little tracker, and I'll let you guys know how it goes for me. Yeah guys, with that, let's start with the planning. Okay guys, so this is how my spread turned out. Here to the left I just have a key with all of my classes and I just color coordinated them. Here I just have some other little things for my personal life, like bills, YouTube, workouts, dates and events, and things like that. But this is an overview of September. As you guys can see, I highlighted every single class just to make sure that I know what class it is. So as you guys can see, I pretty much highlighted every class. Here I do have face-to-face class for 2 of my classes, so I just did little dots to indicate what class it is. So for this one, I'm going to have face-to-face on this day for my TXMI class and for one of my ADPR classes. So I did that. I definitely need to go back in and write down all of my face-to-face and Zoom meetings on here. I need to do that for like 2 classes, I believe, and those classes are still up in the air. They still haven't like put down a schedule, so I'm just waiting for that. As you guys can see here, I have my advisement appointment, and this is actually my last one, which is really sad, but this is my advisement appointment for the spring, for my spring classes, and then I'm done. But yeah, that's happening on the 10th. And then here I just highlighted like payday. I also highlighted that I have to pay my rent and bills and things. I need to go in and write down my credit card bills, but I'm not going to include that in the video. Then I did this cute little sticker moment for my birthday. But this is how it's looking, and of course this can change throughout the month. I can have new dates and things like that, new assignments. Maybe my classes will all go online. Who knows? Right now everything is up in the air, but yeah, this is how it's looking. Okay guys, so this is how my assignment tracker ended up looking, and as you guys can see, I have all of my assignments for the month of September. I also have all of the due dates, kind of. I need to fix some of these are still bad, but yeah, overall this is how it's looking. I'm very excited to start using this tracker and like updating my status like to in progress, done, etc. But yeah, I'm excited to see all of these completed by the end of the month. As you guys can also see over here, I have color coordinated everything. I kind of have to adjust like this blue color and the purple because they look very similar on the screen, so I need to like fix that. So guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to try to film a video like this every single month for the rest of the semester and the school year, so make sure you guys don't miss out. And yeah, with that, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye guys.
I've been feeling so down.